I think it has been a little choppy, but Phil, our job is to build a great airline, and so I don't think it's good for leaders of airlines like ours to get focused on the daily stock movements. What we need to be thinking about is running a great airline, being a great company, a great place for our customers to fly, a great place for our employees to work, and for owners, what we really want to do is focus on producing earnings over time. And then when we're highly focused on that, and we're quite confident on 2019 and beyond.
And the main question that's out there for investors right now, is there a slowdown? For you, primarily because you're a North American-based airline, are you seeing any pockets of softness?
I don't think, it's hard. There's capacity we're putting into the marketplace, and then there's what's happening with the underlying economy. In terms of the underlying economy, I see a lot of strength up and down the West Coast. We fly up and down the West Coast all throughout the United States. We see strength everywhere. There's a lot of, the last 4 or 5 years, the industry's put capacity into the market at a rate that's a little bit higher than economic growth. And so I do see opportunities for us to sort of right-size that, but that's something that we compete and we work it out and we sort of figure that out over time.
You've got a huge exposure along the Pacific coast out to Hawaii. Number of routes out there. Southwest starting in with their service here in the next week or so. How much is that going to pressure margins?
It's hard to say. Right now it's about 1.5% of our available seat miles that are overlapped by what Southwest has announced, but it is, Hawaii in general is more than 10% of our route network, so it could put pressure on that. But again, I don't think it's right for airline leaders to worry about that. I think what we need to worry about is be safe, be on time, provide great service, figure out where we offer competitive advantage. And so in Hawaii, for example, we're really proud of the product that we offer with first class and premium economy and meals and seat assignments and the lowest fares off the West Coast of Hawaii for the last 7 years. So I think we've got to work on that competitive advantage that we offer.
But is there too much capacity going out there? Now that you have Southwest going out there, are there enough rooms out there? Is there enough demand?
The rooms question is a good one. We'll sort that out as we see. Southwest talks about something they call the Southwest effect. We'll see. It's this is what happens in the marketplace. We sort of put our uniforms on, they get a little dirty, but we're proud. We're very proud of our Hawaii franchise. It's almost $1 billion a year in revenue. It's good. It's good business for us. And like I said earlier, I think we've got real competitive advantage and a lot of loyalty. So we're optimistic on how that's going to settle out over time.